Okay? Unboxing 2 of 3. The third will be recorded and uploaded later this month. This is the pour over set, and I did prime it. Oh, nice. That's nice. This is the pour over thing. I'm gonna get out. Get out. Instructions on how to use it. Oh, wow. This comes with this. Huh. So I'm going to do this. Or this. I don't know. But here's the pour over. I decided to get the set because if I'm just gonna have this, it's like eh. Plus I got this because I knew it will last a lifetime pretty much. It comes with this. I will see how to use this a little bit later on. And it comes with a mug because I wanted the mug too because Stanley, why not? I'm gonna get it out in a second. I'm doing this with one hand. Frick. Instructions. Comes with the mug. Oh, good. No, here's the funny thing about it. This is perfect because this is a left-handed mug, pretty much, and I do drink coffee from my left hand. I have no idea what this is. Let's see. I don't know. Let me sit down. No, I gotta sit down. Another second. Oh. It's only the thing for this, I believe. Like a mug thing. I can't get this thing out for nothing, so. Yeah. But, it is like stainless steel. This is made in China. Like everything, but I'm a fan of Stanley, so that's why I bought it. I think this is the thing for this. Yeah, it looks like it. I guess, I don't know. But yeah. Oh god, how do I get this back in here? Crap. See, this is why I don't like taking stuff out. Well, you're gonna do that. It's cool. But yeah, it's pretty nice. And this is the thing I said I can't try until I get better, a new well. But, yeah, here's instructions. And honestly, it looks nice, so. Wow, of course I can probably do this with one hand. Yeah. No, I can't. 1 second. Oh, God. Huh? Honestly, this is something I will be using a lot once I am able to wash dishes. Because I love coffee. I'm going to have to get coffee too because I use instant coffee mostly. Anyway, boxing 2 of 3. Peace, y'all.